Kitten, who's not freaking out. Whoever's a fan of kittens, watch this. Never mind. Whoever's a fan of kittens, watch this. Oh, come on.
Just let her interact with the dog.
See, she licked me. You used to be screeching in terror from Sophie.
She's a playful kitten. She's totally learned how to play and chase with Scout, and now.
Don't barf on Luna. Please. Whoever's watching this, that was adorable. She is adorable. Yeah, cutie pie.
Where's Sophie going? You kind of liked her playing with you, didn't you?
Hi. Watch this, fans of kittens. See, she's licking me. It has kitten saliva.
Put it up to the camera.
It wasn't. Yeah, cute kitten. Hey. You gotta sit up. That's your tail. This is the camera. That's the dog. Hi.
And she lives close for comfort, that kitten.
What are you thinking of the dog being right there? Uh-huh. Sophie, you smacked the camera. With your paw. Ah! You bumped your head on the iPhone. Are you okay? Sophie! What? That face is so adorable.
Oh, we've had her 1 week today.
Yeah, 1 week here.
In 1 week, she's adjusted really well. You're awful close.
Sorry. You're too cute for speech.
Yep, there are a few words to describe the cuteness of this kitten.
Oh, she's going to sleep.
Stretch. Stretch.
Oh, look at their paws.
Bottoms of those feet are so cute.
Their paws.
The paws. Such cute little pink pads. Are any of her pads black?
Yep.
Some are black.
Some of her.
Some are pink.
Hey, that's my finger. The
Look at her
pad.
black feet. Wait, there you go. Missed it.
Let me see your back feet. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to settle in on Mommy for a minute.
The dog followed you. Well, bye-bye, cutie pie.